Let's have a Japanese-style Shichimi Mackerel set meal. The main dish is Shichimi Mackerel. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel. I bought a pack of frozen mackerel from the supermarket. It's very cheap, only $12. What a bargain! Defrost the mackerel and wash it very clean. Then cut off all the fins. Then wipe them dry with kitchen towels. Preheat the oven. Set the temperature to 180 degrees Celsius. Season the mackerel with white pepper powder, soy sauce, and shichimi powder. You can use light soy sauce. The soy sauce I'm using is specially formulated for marinating meat. This bottle of shichimi powder is special. It is with yuzu flavor. It is easy for you to buy shichimi powder at any Japanese supermarkets. After seasoning for about 15 minutes, the cooking method is very simple. Just put the mackerel in the oven and bake for about 40 minutes. Flip the mackerel halfway. The Shichimi mackerel is done. It is tasty and spicy, no fishy smell at all. It is best to serve with some lemon juice. How about the side dish? Let's make Japanese-style bitter melon fried egg. The cooking method is the same as Japanese-style okra fried egg. The following short video will show you how. Please watch. Sprinkle some bonito flakes on top of the fried egg. Wow, can you see the bonito flakes are dancing? The dinner is ready. Itadakimasu. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.